They ran in the back here to check out the geese. Plus they saw some people on the other side. She's the noisy one. It's okay, it's okay. It's just geese, see? It's just the geese. And some people gonna have a picnic, you see? Some people gonna have a picnic. It's okay. Tell her it's okay, Thunder. Tell her it's okay. She's very feisty. Boy, he's just like Freddy. He just follows Mom. Follows her like how Molly used to do. No, no, no. How you doing, neighbor? It's always a little girl so loud. The big boy is quiet, look. So it's so loud. How you gonna make all that noise, huh? You're noisy? You're a noisy girl. Yes, she's a noisy girl. All right. Come on, let's go. Daddy got work to do. Come on. We got work to do. Come on.